And today's drink of the day is the Mudslide. We're going to start off with 1 ounce of vodka. One ounce of coffee liqueur. And 1 ounce of Irish cream. Okay. Add all your ingredients to your shaker. I already got ice in my shaker, got my serving glass full of ice. I'm going to give it a quick top to my shaker. We're going to give it a quick shake. That should do it. And strain over ice. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is the Mudslide. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my drink of the day, the good old Mudslide. And y'all just have a great night, a great week, and we'll see you next time. God bless you.